Hi, hello and welcome to my channel Mastery of Library. Today I am going to tell you about World Environment Day. So you don't skip this video and watch till end. Okay guys? So before that, please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so you never miss any new updates. World Environment Day is celebrated annually on 5th June and is the United Nations principal vehicle for encouraging awareness and action for the protection of the environment. First held in 1974, it has been a platform for raising awareness on environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpollution, global warming, sustainable consumption, and wildlife crime. World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. Each year, the program has provided a theme and forum for businesses, non-government organizations, communities, governments, and celebrities to advocate environmental causes. The next thing is history. World Environment Day was established in 1972 by the United Nations at the Stockholm Conference on Human Environment that has resulted from discussions on the integration of human interactions and the environment. 2 years later, in 1974, the first World Environment Day was held with the theme Only One Earth. Even though World Environment Day celebrations have been held annually since 1974, in 1987, the idea for rotating the center for these activities through selecting different host countries began. So guys, the next thing is World Environment Day Anthem. An Earth Anthem penned by poet Ebeke is sung to celebrate World Environment Day. So the anthem is: our cosmic house is cosmic blue pearl, the most beautiful planet in the universe, all the continents and all the oceans. United we stand as flora and fauna, united we stand as species of one earth. Different cultures, beliefs and ways, we are humans, the earth is our home. All the people and the nations of the world, all for one and one for all. United we unfurl the blue marble flag. So, the anthem was launched in June 2013 on the occasion of the World Environment Day by Kapil Sibal and Shashi Tharoor when the Union Ministers of India at a function organized by the Indian Council of Cultural Relations in New Delhi. It is supported by the global organization Habitat for Humanity. So guys, this year the theme of World Environment Day is Ecosystem Restoration. This year, Pakistan will be the global host of the World Environment Day. The event will see the launch of the UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. So, what is ecosystem restoration? Ecosystem restoration is defined as a process of reversing the degradation of ecosystems such as landscapes, lakes, and oceans to regain their ecological functionality. In other words, to improve the productivity and capacity of ecosystems to meet the needs of society. So guys, I wish you Happy World Environment Day. Keep it clean and keep it green. So, if you like this video, please like, share, comment, support and don't forget to subscribe. See you again in an interesting video like this. Thank you.